today I wanted to share with you how I use our brow pomade, which is this right here. So I was just going to show you. This is what we're going to go for, and this is what we're working with right now. I like to use a very small angled brush like this, and it has a spoolie at the end. You're going to need both. So if you can find one like this with both already, then you have it. Make this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into our brow pomade like this and get some product on our brush, and I'm going to start on the bottom part of my brow. So I'm going to start here at the bottom and make a line to right there. Curve here at the tail of my brow, and I'm going to fill that little tail in right there. Go underneath again and just make sure that it's as straight of a line as you can make it. All right, and then I'm going to just start filling in my brow here. Go to the top and outline the top part. So we're outlining our brow at the bottom, at the top, filling in our tail, and then filling in the center part of the brow. And since my brow is a little bit shorter, like in this way, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of a line here to know that I need to keep going and fill it in. And go further in with this. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and get the spoolie and comb through our brow. I like to get my pinky and go through the top and clear any little bit that I might have gotten outside of my brow and the bottom. Okay, so after that, I just like to use a little bit of a brown powder and just fill it this part in right here so it's a little bit more even. All right, guys, so that's how easy it is to use our brow pomade, which is very smooth and creamy, and then you got some good brows. Let me know if this helped you out or if you have any questions, and yeah, leave me a comment.